is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Hey friends, this is What an Awesome God in the key of A minor. This is a simple way to chord along to this song and have a lot of fun. If you click on the description below, you will find the link for the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. All right, so this has some chords I want to break down for you. So let's start with the middle two black notes, and you're going to find the C to the left of those. Let's play the C major chord. So we have C, E, G, and that makes up our C major. Okay, play every other note there. All right, I'm going to play two chords that you only play a few times. I think it's like in a tag or a bridge or somewhere. It's the D chord and the E chord. So right next door is the D note, and you're going to pick up this black note in the middle. So we have D, F sharp, A. And kind of think that chord is a triangle in your hands. That'll make a lot more sense. And you're going to have this chord of a D that you're going to play once in the chorus. If you're going to transition out of there. It's kind of like a chord change, something going on there. I'm not sure. D there. And then if you move up one set of notes, kind of freeze that hand, you're going to play the E right next to it. And those will play right after each other. So you have the D and then the E and then the A minor. And you could do that to end the song as well. So we have E, G sharp, B, making up another triangle shape. Okay, so that makes up those two chords, and you're only going to play them a bit, just a few times. Okay, then we have an F chord, F, A, C. Okay, G major chord right next to it, G, B, D. And then right next door again is our A minor, A, C, E. With chording, you have a lot of flexibility. You could play a chord up here or down an octave, wherever you want to play it. That's just probably where I'm going to play it for this song. Okay, single notes are going to be what our left hand is going to be doing, keeping it really simple just to get these two hands to work together for you. So I'm going to put pinky on left hand on the C, keeping those 5 fingers where they're at and really not moving this hand. So you're going to play C to C. Again, just single notes over here. D to the D triangle when you play that D chord. E, C, D, E follows the alphabet really quickly, just to know where your hands are at. And then F in the alphabet again. And then we're going to play the G when we play the G major chord. And then the alphabet starts over musically. A. Okay, and you will open up this thumb one time when you play that A minor up here. You're going to need to move that thumb just out of position just one time to play that A. Otherwise, it's C, D, E, F, G, A. And that left hand kind of follows the alphabet there. And you're just playing single notes when you're playing your right hand chord. Okay, so I'm going to sing and play through the verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we bring in the vocals and the rhythm, and then we'll break down the rhythm for you, okay? God is great. Give him all the praise. Hallelujah, name above all names. Fire in his eyes, healing in his veins. Everywhere is glory on display. Take a look at those stars, he can name them all. Before his throne, every knee falls. The demons have to run, the angels have to praise. Even the wind and waves obey our God. Okay, and then it comes into that chorus. So what I'm doing to bring those two hands together is a simple ratio of 1 to 2 ratio. So we're going to be playing both hands together and then just that one right hand by itself. Together, right, together, right. So you could practice on that F chord. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. And that's kind of the pattern that can just get your two hands moving together through this song. There's a lot of repetition too. Let's take a mention at that. So every other line of the verse is F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor. It's the same 4 chord progression over and over and over. F, C, G, A minor. Okay. Looks like the chorus to be the same. F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor. And then you just have that little D to the E to the A minor, which is, I'm not sure if there's a chord change going on there or what. I'm not familiar with the key of A minor a whole lot. Then verse 2 and 3 are going to be the exact same as verse 1. So you kind of have a chorus 2. I think it just changed lyrics wise. It doesn't change the chords as far as I understand there. Okay. So let's jump back to verse 1 and play this together, and bring in the lyrics and the vocals. Okay. And the rhythm. Okay. So let's start out with the F chord. And if you just need to do right hand only, you could do that as well. Cut out the left hand when you're first beginning. Okay. So the F chord goes like this. God is great. Give him all the C. praise. Hallelujah, G. Name above all, A minor. Names, fire in his F. Eyes, healing in his C. Veins, everywhere his G. Glory on display. Okay, so this can get a little bit repetitive because there's so much repetitive stuff going on. You have the same 4 chords repeating, and even the rhythm is the same. So you're playing sort of 2 counts, 1, 2, chord change, 3, 4, chord change, 1, 2, chord change. So it's F, 2, C, 2, G, 2, A minor, 2. I mean, you're counting up to 4 total, but each chord is just played twice. So you're going to go 1, 4. So that's kind of your rhythm through the whole thing. Every chord, for the most part, is played 2 beats there, okay? All right, let's take a look at the chorus. See, this kind of goes back to the original melody of the way that song, Our God is an Awesome God. Here's how it sounds. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Okay, again, same 4 chords over and over, F, C, G, A minor, and even the rhythm doesn't change. You're still going F, 2, C, 2. I should say F, 2, C, 4, because they're counting up to 4. This song is written in 4/4 time signature, so there's 4 beats per measure. So essentially the F and the C are sharing 1 measure, G and the A minor are sharing 1 measure. But anyway, just kind of go through the simple pattern of how I taught you in the beginning. Okay, so let's go through that chorus together. Our God is in C chord. Awesome God, he, G, reigns from A minor. Heaven above with F. Wisdom, C. Power and love are G. God is an awesome God. Okay, that second time through that ending, you can go, Our God is an awesome God. Kind of a different way to end it. By throwing in those 2 triangles, we have the D, the E, and then back to the A minor is kind of how that goes. Okay, again, like I said, if you think of it like patterns, this song is going to get you through a majority of the way because we just have those same 4 chords through the verse and the chorus. All right, so I'm going to play this beginning to end. You can slow down the playback speed if I'm going too fast. Do right hand only, left hand only, then bring the 2 hands together, and you can have a lot of fun. Here you go. God is great. Give him all the praise. Hallelujah, name above all names. Fire in his eyes, healing in his veins. Everywhere his glory on display. Take a look at those stars, he can name them all. Before his throne, every knee falls. The demons have to run, the angels have to praise. Even the wind and waves obey. Our God is an awesome is an awesome God, He reigns.